all the way out, folks. Welcome to 100. To the left, we have our outdoor sky deck, door and cafes to your right. Enjoy. Welcome. Sky deck to the left, bar and cafe to your right.
I thought it was that other thing we were going to.
No, that's the summit. They didn't have time for that one.
Go in, push the door. There you go.